Morning everyone. Just down at the Globe Inn. Gonna go for a little wander. There's bloody cars everywhere today. Got the travelling roaming trade show, whatever you want to call it. Not sure what it's called. Oh my god, there's bloody cars everywhere. Morning. How quiet. It was pretty busy down there yesterday. I was going to do some filming, but I thought I'll be squeezing through pretty much everyone. So I thought I'd just have a little wander today. I thought I'd go and see one of the traders anyway, old Paul. Met him a few months ago. He's one of the leather traders on Etsy. There's the old Globe Inn. Got lots of bits and bobs on sale. There's lovely hand painted stuff on this one. I don't have enough money to buy any, unfortunately, but I will be ordering some. So we're a bit quiet at the moment. I've got the record store. Lovely. Hey mate, how you doing? And here's old Paul. See if he's got my windlass strap done. I'll keep wandering as he's obviously with someone. Old jewellery. Runners left, right and centre. The crystals. Morning. Oh, these are great. There's one, if I have enough money, that I'm going to come back and buy. Look at that. Awesome. It's actually a bit of fossilised wood, apparently. You wouldn't have thought it. My initial thought was that it was wood, but when I asked about it, I didn't expect him to say it is actually a bit of wood. Never seen a shiny fossilised wood before, but... Morning! Oh. Old Nancy Mo. Don't know where she is. Nancy Mo was actually going out with a bloke that I bought my boat off when I first got it. And we've got the travelling cafe to all sorts. Beer, Prosecco, gin, cakes, coffee, tea. Morning.
Morning.
Got your little gin stall.
Gin.
Yeah, trying to get a little bit of the old fair online. It's Penny, the lady who runs the fair. How you doing, mate?
Right out here this morning, but it's nice and the weather's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect. It's best day for
I
it.
forgot to come down and have a look at Bosley yesterday, didn't I?
Indeed, you did. Indeed, I was sitting there all alone all night thinking, where's Penny?
Oh, because we started making some stock last night. The incense burner's nearly sold out, so we had
Nice.
frantically trying to make stuff. Because I've got another market in 2 weeks' time.
Oh really? Blimey. Where's that one?
Burco.
Okay.
And then Boxmoor at the end of May.
Sweet, so Burko and Boxmoor if anyone wants to get to the next fairs. Alright, I'm going to keep wandering down, Pen. I'll see you back in a sec. Pen's little morning, little stalls. Morning, how you doing? Just doing a bit of advertising for everyone. Oh, okay, you got some?
Yeah.
Oh, wicked. Cool, I will pop back and have a look in a sec. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Oh, we've got the old knitting boat. So I got my new cushion yesterday and a blanket. Morning. Yeah, good, thanks. Oh, some bobs on here. Old Slode in. I do love that barrel on the roof. Look at that. Fantastic. That's what I want to get for my boat. And then I think this is the last boat. I got my fenders yesterday. I think we've made it to the end. Oh, sorry. Morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
Tired.
Long night.
Tired, yeah.
Just doing a little video of everyone's boats and stuff, seeing what's on sale. Encourage people to come down.
All sorts. All sorts.
Oh, dog face.
This is Harry.
Harry.
Harry the dirty dog.
Got lovely fur on him, hasn't
He's a handsome boy.
he? You love it, don't you? You love it.
He gets neglected when we're selling, don't you?
Yeah, I suppose it gets busy, doesn't it?
He cries all the way through.
Oh, little Harry.
Oh dear.
Hiya.
Hi.
Back again.
They're lovely.
Nice day for it.
It's
We're going to be busy today.
Well, maybe, yeah. Yeah, we're not doing so bad. Shh. We might get a holiday at the end of the year, maybe.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Any chance of getting any more of them fenders by any chance?
I can get him doing some today if you want.
I could do another couple of them.
Oh, we've got to get the rope though when it's in the van.
Yeah.
So
I don't expect him right now, but
yeah,
I can get some more in future.
I'll get him on it.
And I can keep them all looking the same as well.
It doesn't take him long to do it.
Okay.
It's just he's got, I think, the ropes in the van. But as it's quiet,
Make himself useful.
he's just making bacon sandwiches at the moment.
Oh, that's even more useful there, I'd say.
He's going to make a sandwich and then I'll get him to go and get them.
That's cool.
He usually sits on there doing it. People like to watch as well.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I'd be interested to see that.
Yeah, they like
come back and do a little film of it.
Yeah, they like to see what you're making.
Yeah, it's nice to see handcrafted stuff.
Yeah. He's got a lathe, but I don't know how safe it is to get it out, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit much to probably lift it out as well. Probably weighs a bit.
It's heavy. Harry.
Did you have a little card or can I take your number or something?
No, I haven't got a card. I haven't got a card.
I'll just pop back in a couple of hours or something, come and see you.
Yeah,
see what's happening.
I'll get him on to it in a bit.
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Now, so we can walk down and get the what's it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Make sure we get some before
Yeah.
we're here tomorrow, so if you can't do it, when are you moving?
I was thinking of moving maybe later today, so I don't know, see what happens.
It don't take him probably about 20 minutes, half an hour. You just watch him.
I'm only going to go down to Grove Lock anyway.
And he sits there. It's
twirled it all around.
It makes it look so amazing, you don't know.
Yeah, I wouldn't even know how to start doing something like that.
I've seen him do it now, I don't know how to start singing. I think, is he doing it like I do me?
It's doing flats.
Doing flats, is it? How come it ends up so fat?
Yeah.
Right, here he is. After some more...
Morning. Hello Ian. How you doing, mate?
And he fancies a demonstration, Ian, when you get your...
I was just talking that you make them on the side of the soap off, your fenders.
Oh, fenders?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you fancy giving a demonstration how to make them? I said, well, it's quiet, why don't you go and get the rope?
That's up in the van, isn't it?
Well, it is, yeah, but when it's still early, you could run up as long as you're not too... Yeah, and get started. I don't even know your name, what's your name? Paul,
Sorry.
This is Paul. I'm Jeannie, as in the magic lamp, aren't you? This is Ian. So as soon as he gets up there, what's that?
That's alright, no rush. I just, as I say, I thought I'd come and get a number or something so that I can get some in the future or whatever if I don't manage to see you again today or
You can take the
tomorrow
number
or
if you
whatever.
want, Ian, write down a piece of paper if you want.
Yeah.
We're up and down
We're not going to be far away all summer, really.
Yeah.
The Berkhamsted one's in a fortnight.
Burgo. Yeah, I suppose I could just pop by there and see them, innit?
Yeah.
Grab a couple more then, it'd be easier.
Yeah, I'm going to have to,
That's the next
start
one.
doing some more.
We're at
Alright.
that one. I'm going to stick to
And a
these.
couple of weeks after that, I think it's Brickmansworth.
We're up and down this canal all summer now.
Yeah, it's all good. Just thought I'd ask whilst I was here.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do them. They're not difficult. Once you've done a couple, then that is.
Oh no, I'm not going to get into doing them myself, don't worry. I'll leave it to the professionals.
Give him your number and he can come and watch you do it.
Yeah, you got your phone on you.
Yeah, one sec.